Hello S4 students. Today we will end chapter 5.2 by talking about the quotient rule. So quotient rule, when you see there are two functions, we use u and v to represent, and they are in the form of a quotient like u over v. Then the derivative of this one will be this is the answer. So usually we will just remember as v du minus u dv. We remember in this way, but actually the form is the previous one, and over v square. So it means you just write the denominator and then you differentiate the numerator and then minus. This is the main difference between the product rule and the quotient rule. This is minus. Bear in mind this is minus, is very important. And then u dv over v square. And there's a proof in the textbook, and originally I planned to show you once, but actually I found that it spent quite a lot of time. So maybe you can first visit page 5.17 to 5.18 for the proof. And then if you still have questions after the school resume, I can explain a little bit more to you. So today we mainly talk about how to use this rule to do some questions. So I will show you two examples. So now the questions: find dy dx of the following functions. First of all, y equals to 1 over 2x minus 3. So this is u and this is v. So now dy dx. And then you remember we have v du first. So v and then du. For the first question, I just write you in this way. Du, so we have this form. And then minus u dv. Remember. Here maybe I give you the form. Dy dx equals to v du minus u dv and then over v square. So and then now we have u dv here and then over v square. So for this one, actually it comes to 0, right? You differentiate a constant, so you will get 0. And for this one, you will get 2, right? So let's get it. So this is 0 minus 1 times 2, right? So we have this negative 2 over 2x minus 3 square. So this is A. And now B. Y equals to this over 4x plus 1. Again, this is U and this is V. So this time I don't give you this step, so I just skip one more step, so it will become quite more simple. Otherwise you write the steps as it's very complicated. So v du first. V. So du, what's that? U is 7x minus 9. So du, then you have 7. And then minus v du minus u dv, So dv, then you will have 4. And then over v square. So we just simplify by expanding the expression, so be very careful when you expand it. So finally you get 43 over 4x plus 1 squared. So this is a very quick illustrations of the quotient rule. So now we go to the last example in this video. So fx is this one, and we try to find the derivative of that. Okay, here you have two different ways to do. First, you can just do it directly, or you can expand the numerator first, and then it becomes a polynomial, but not the product of two functions or expressions. So you don't need to use the product rule again. But here I would like to show you a more complicated one, okay, instead of just expand it. So let's see, okay, how I do the questions. So first of all, this is u and this is v, okay? So v du, so like here v, and then we have the differential of the u, and then minus u dv, okay, u, and then dv, okay, and then over v squared. Okay, after that, okay, we have 2x minus 5. And for this one, now here we have two functions multiplied together. So we need to use the product rule in this situation. So we have the product rule. I hope you remember. So you first keep the first one, and then you differentiate the second one, and then you differentiate the first one, and then you keep the second one. So you have this. Okay, and then minus 4x plus 4x minus 1, x plus 2, we keep it, and then this is 2. So the following is just like some operations. Make sure you can get the correct answer by expanding or simplifying all the expressions. We can get this 8x squared minus 2x, 16x minus 4. Continue. So here we have 16x squared minus 14x plus 14x. Plus 14, so minus 14x, so plus 4. And then 8x squared minus 40x minus 31. Okay, so now we go back to the questions. We are going to find f pi negative 2. So we simply put the negative 2 here. Okay, so f pi negative 2. Then we put the negative 2 inside. Okay, so finally, you will get the answer is 1. Okay, get it? So now it's your turn to do some questions. So we hope that we can see each other, okay, after like less than 3 weeks, right? So see you.